So how do I start indexing? You can get to the indexing website several ways. On the church's website, you can scroll down to FamilySearch.org, or you can type FamilySearch.org at the URL prompt. This will take you to the Family Search website. Once you're logged in, you select Indexing from the menu and then Web Indexing in the drop-down. Now I'm at the page where I can find a batch. I do that by clicking the blue button, Find Batches. And on the right hand of the screen, I'm at an intermediate level. I can have several choices. I'll choose the second one in the list because what it shows is that there are 32% of this particular record or records from Wisconsin that have already been indexed. Compared to that to the one above it, this Utah project is 99% complete. So I'll stay away from that right now and come down to the second one in the list and start indexing those records. As I select index, an attention screen comes up that tells me that this is a private record from the state of Wisconsin, and some of the people in this record are living, and that by clicking OK, we agree to not copy, share, or save the images for information contained in the images for purpose other than reviewing and indexing for this project. So I hit OK. Immediately I have two records that come up, image number 1, and as I click below on the screen I can select image number 2. I can scroll up with my mouse button, or I can use the increase size button to see that a little better, at least on my monitor. That helps me. The first thing it's asking now is should this image be indexed, and it's yes or no. If it's a duplicate image, we can select that, or there's no extractable data, we would select no extractable data. But there is extractable data on this record, and so we choose yes, and then go to the next image. Now I'm on image number 2, and it's asking me the same thing. Is there any information on this particular image that can be indexed? And there is, so I choose next. And then it's just a matter of beginning indexing by filling this information out on the left-hand side of the screen. If you have questions about what should go in a particular field, for example, here's a help button here, and this is giving me as an indexer some information about what a certificate is. See, this is an original certificate of birth or charge out, and I don't know what that means, but I can find that out by scrolling down this information. Charge out forms often have only a file number and a birthday, and so that gives me a clue as an indexer what that means. I'm going to fill this information out, and once I get it all filled out, at the bottom I'll have an opportunity to go to the next image, which is this image here, image number 2. I fill out the same information for image number 2, then I submit the batch.